Okay, so here we are, lesson 2 on Scratch. We started creating a maze game and we used these scripts to get right, left, up and down. We said the game is okay, but it's a little bit rubbish because you can go and cheat very, very easily. And there's nothing very exciting to do either. So, we need some new scripts, and the new scripts that we're going to have are going to be, let's have a think, yeah. We need some control, a forever if. Here we go. When the spacebar is clicked, forever if, and we're going to use a sensing, and we're going to say touching. Just drop that in there, not in the middle there or here. We're going to drop it in there, alright? So if touching colour, click purple, and then the little dropper tool will select red for you. There we go. So forever if touching red, and then motion, and I want either glide, we could use glide, or we could use go to. Alright, you have a choice. But basically, when the sprite, which is our cat, touches red, I want the game to finish, and I want him to go back to the start. Now, the start is here in my game, and the start has coordinates, okay? Now, it's difficult to show you this because when I move my mouse, the coordinates will change. So if you look down here, in 3, 2, 1, you can see the coordinates are x minus 201, y 119. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to write x minus 201, y 119, okay? And then I'm going to type those into here. So x was minus 201 and y was 119, and I'm going to say, I'm going to change that to 3 seconds, okay? So I'm going to press green for go and spacebar, and we're going to try and do the game. So it's going well, it's going well, it's going well, oh yes, very good, it's going very well here. And I turn the corner and I touch red by accident. And the game is finished and the sprite goes back to the beginning. Okay, so that's good, that's a good script. The next script is I'm going to choose a new character. I want somebody bad, okay? So you can click get a surprise sprite and it'll surprise you. I actually quite like that. Or you can go into here and choose from these 6 categories. So you can look in things, or whichever category you want. Fantasy, oh yeah, some really good stuff in there. I'm happy with the snowman, of course he's too big, so let's make him quite a bit smaller, like that. Okay, now the scripts have disappeared again. They haven't been deleted, they're here, they're on the cat. Now this one, we're going to have new scripts, and for the moment I want this one. So I want to duplicate it like that, but I don't want touching colour anymore, so I delete that. I want touching this one. Alright, so if touching sprite 2, you know it's sprite 2 because it says sprite 2 there, so let's put sprite 2. Now this one means if he's touching sprite 2, if the cat is touching sprite 2, he'll go back to the beginning as well. So let's try. So green to start, spacebar, and let's go for it. Let's see if it works. Ooh, just missed the red there. Yeah, and it works. Okay, so that's not a bad start. That's not a bad start. In the next video, we're going to look at how to get the snowman moving, and we'll take it a little bit further again.